Hi, Shelley here. Welcome back to Harvesting Heritage. Typically, this is the time that I would change from my spring tablescape to my summer tablescape, but since July 4th is only 2 weeks away, I thought I would do a patriotic tablescape. First, let me show you what I found that I have that's red, white, and blue. These plates I found at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. They're navy blue and white, and I use these plastic chargers that I got at Hobby Lobby all the time, so I thought they would look great together. I had these from Christmas, my red napkins, and I found the rings at an estate sale. Also, I found this piece of fabric at an estate sale that was used for a tablecloth, so I thought that would work. I picked up some flags at the 99-cent store, and I made a bouquet. I made this last night. So it's out of red carnations, little white feverfew. I picked these up at the grocery store. I thought they would make a sweet filler flower. I also picked up white alströmerias. It isn't often that I have found pure white ones. Alströmerias are my husband's favorite flower. So I made that last night, so I'd be ready to go this morning. The first thing I will do is place the tablecloth that has been washed and ironed. And then I will put the flowers in the center, and you do see this from all sides. I did try to put the red throughout the bouquet. And then I thought that the little flags would be interesting. And then maybe a bow down on the bottom. Okay, time for the plates and the chargers. Darren actually do eat at this table every dinner, and on the weekends, every breakfast, every lunch. So all we do is move the dish and then put the dish that has our food on it in its place. And we always use the charger. And I will place the napkins on the center. And there we have a very simple, patriotic 4th of July tablescape. I will show you how I fold the napkin to make the bunting napkin with the ring. So I'm going to start by folding it twice so that the raw edge is under. And then I'm just going to use the fan motion and go back and forth until I reach the end. And then when you get to the end, I'm going to roll this double so that that raw edge doesn't show either. Then I'm going to take the napkin ring, stick the ends into it, pull it to the center, and then fan it out.